Hello everyone, welcome back to Microsoft Word tutorial only. And in today's video, we're going to customize text using styles and themes in Microsoft Word. Let's get right into the video. This is a very plain document on renewable energy. In one of my last videos in how you format text, I showed you how to format text manually. Like you go in there and you do your own thing. It was very simple. I'll link that video in the description or in the cards section so that you could check that out. In this video, we're going to use a preset templates that Microsoft Word has laid out in styles, or we could create our own and save it for a future date so that we won't have to go through all the work in having to create a style to format our text. Now the first paragraph is just defining what renewable energy is, and we're going to select that to format it. If you don't know how to select, I'll also link a video in how to select text in Microsoft Word in the description section and or in the card section. Now let's ensure that our home button is selected or tab, and this is our ribbon menu. A lot of features are up here. Now that we're on our home menu, we'll come across here to the styles section. Now we'll click the down arrow in the styles section. If I just hover over the mouse pointer to these different styles, you'll see that it's giving us a series of styles here. I'd like to use title for our introduction or for the paragraph that is defining what renewable energy is. The moment you selected that, you could see how boldly it stands out and it's hard to miss. So let's select title style for our first paragraph. Now I must admit that the font, it's a bit too big and maybe I want to take it down a point or two. Let's go back into styles. We'll click the down arrow there and we'll come back over to title. And on our mouse pad or our mouse, we'll right click on our mouse pad or our mouse. We'll use the right click button to bring the drop down menu up for the title style format. Now it's giving you several options here. It's saying update title to match selection, modify, select all, rename, remove from style gallery, add gallery to quick access toolbar. What we want to do is modify it. Now we could either give it a new name or we could just simply go in and change the size of the font. Let's go down to 24 and then click OK. Now it looks a bit smaller. I like how this looks. The next thing we're going to do is modify the next paragraph that says fossil fuel. We're going to select that paragraph and we're going to go down into the style section again. I'm going to choose something that stands out. I like the option intense emphasis. I'll choose that. We're already starting to look very professional. This looks like something that you'd see on the internet. Now really quickly, I'm just going to go down to all the stuff that are being defined or that are explaining what a definition is or a title, and I'll just use the intense emphasis style to apply to those. So all I'm doing is selecting what I want to apply the intense emphasis to. I'll come up here, it's already there. I'll click it and it's applied. Now we have all our paragraphs looking real good with the style intense emphasis. Now there's a section here that says here are a few common sources of renewable energy. Let's find a style for that. I decided to go with heading 1. It's the same color as the paragraphs, but I think it's a different font and definitely it's a different size. It's larger. Now there are different types of energy. We have solar energy, wind energy, geothermal energy, etc. I would like to place those into a style also. So let's select a style for that. I'll go heading 1 again for the different types of energy, and I want to use that because it really matches nicely here with here are a few common sources of renewable energy, and it looks slightly different because it's in all caps. So let's go through and make all of our different types of energy the same style. Of course, if you don't like any of the styles here that you see in styles, you could always come and create a style by clicking create a style Then coming down to modify in the create new style from formatting dialog box, and you could just come here and do a wealth load of styles in here that are best suited for your needs, and you could also give them a name. But this is not that type of video. My goal for the month of February is to get 1,000 subscribers. You would be a great help if you just subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, which is daily, you'll be the first to know. Alright guys, I'll see you in tomorrow's video.